Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add text on TikTok video. So just open TikTok, and if you're adding any story or if you're adding any video, okay, you can simply just add that, and you can see text on the bottom left side. You need to select on text, and here you can see you will be able to write, and you can choose the style of that text, right? Okay, and you can also do the alignment according to your needs. You can change the font style if you want, so you can also add change the color or background color of that, you can see. So yep, in this way you can just simply add text on your TikTok video, and you can share it with people.